Welcome everyone to this new building session that I will build and unbox a CTC DIY 3D printer. So let's go for it. Okay, now I'm gonna check all the packing list, all the items in the box, and let's start with all the pieces that are the main structure. These are the left and right side frames, and this is the XZ frame. Okay, supposed to be 3 pieces of this, but in the packing list is just 2 pieces needed, so let's keep them. Then there is 2 tripod pieces, and this is the A shaft motor fixing plate. These rods, there is 2 smooth ones and 1 thread one, and there is here this package with M3 washes and nuts. This one, some screws. Then there is a fan support column that is here in this package. Then a high temperature tube, there is one of these two, and a motor port support column, that is that ivory one tube pieces. It's two flexing couplings. This is the screen cable. Then a USB to connect the printer to the computer. The serial number is here, you can check it. There is some nylon ties and the power supply cable that has a Europe converter, and this is a UK one. Here there is a fuse if you have a overheat or over tension. This will protect your printer. And then the PLA filament, these three colors, blue, orange and green. The DuPont cable, this is for connecting the AC current to the power supply. Power cables is all of this that connect all the stepper motors to the power unit. The power unit, if you see here, there is all the inputs and outputs. It's this box with all the tools, the item 17 that you will need. So you don't need, let's suppose you don't need any tool to build the 3D printer. With this you have enough. Here there is a fan somewhere. Okay, here there is a fan connected to the extruder heating wire. There is this CD that contains the manuals and the software for the 3D printer. Then there is a holder, this tube, a control board, this piece, then the display, the Q assembly, it's this piece. This huge one is the P assembly. Here I have these two pieces, this one and this one. Well, the A5 assembly and the A4 assembly. Well, let's build all this thing.